Other astonishing breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Chief Justice Boasberg has found evidence. In other words, he's found probable cause to hold the Trump administration in contempt of court, rightfully, legally, lawfully, and constitutionally. What judge am I talking about, you guys may be wondering? And what kind of contempt of court may you guys be wondering? Well, let's just take a look at this brand new legal breaking reporting by the Democracy Docket. Shout out to Mark Elias and the Democracy Forward Foundation. The article, ladies and gentlemen, is titled, Judge Finds Cause to Hold Trump Admin in Contempt of Court Over Alien Enemies Act Removals. And ladies and gentlemen, before we start the article and reading it and everything, just because the Supreme Court ruled that Donald Trump is able to deport individuals via this Alien Enemies Act, which is bullshit because it's only an alien, a wartime law. Right now, currently, we're not in any wars. Just because they ruled that he can do that does not mean that Judge Boasberg had to immediately dismiss the case. Fact checked right there. Let's get into today's news reporting. The article reads, ladies and gentlemen, a federal judge Wednesday said he'd found probable cause to hold the Trump administration in contempt of court for showing a willful disregard towards his March 15 orders requiring it to return to the U.S. The hundreds of Venezuelan migrants it sent to a notorious prison in El Salvador using the Alien Enemies Act, an 18th century wartime law. District Judge James Boasberg said he was launching contempt proceedings against the Trump administration. Boasberg added, Boasberg, that the administration could have contempt findings erased from the record if it returns those removed under the Alien Enemies Act. If it doesn't, the judge said he will identify the Trump administration officials responsible for defying the court order and pursue sanctions against them. This story is a breaking news story. Please check back for additional details. Which, ladies and gentlemen, in other words, it means look out for part 2 of an update for the towards this breaking news, this constitutional, rightful, legal breaking news. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure that you like, comment, share, subscribe.